A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the "don't walk" signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. Proceed if you have the right of way. B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. C. Carefully drive around the pedestrian. Correct answer, B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report, SR1, to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. C. Only if you or the other driver is injured. Correct answer, B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. When driving in fog, you should use your A. High beams, B. Low beams, C. Fog lights only. Correct answer, B. Low beams. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A. Any of the traffic lanes in your direction, B. Either of the 2 right lanes, C. The far left lane. Correct answer, B. Either of the 2 right lanes. You should usually drive your vehicle slower when A. Passing large trucks on the freeway. B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. C. You want to look at a controlled accident scene. Correct answer, B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. You must yield the right of way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer, A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer, A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. C. Usually have the right of way. Correct answer, B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Increase your following distance. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck, A, may complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B, may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C, must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer, B, may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A, 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B, between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C, no faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer, C, no faster than 65 miles per hour. What should you do if you plan to pass another vehicle? A. Assume the other driver will let you pass if you use your turn signal. B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. C. Flash your headlights to alert the other driver. Correct answer, B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. When you see a yellow school bus with its red lights flashing, you should A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Pass the bus quickly before the lights start flashing. Correct answer, A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. To avoid last-minute moves, you should be looking down the road to where your vehicle will be in about A. 5 to 10 seconds, B. 10 to 15 seconds, C. 15 to 20 seconds. Correct answer, B. 10 to 15 seconds. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means that vehicles A. Next to the broken line may pass, B. Next to the solid line may pass, C. In both directions may pass. Correct answer, A. Next to the broken line may pass. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. Unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. Unless you are riding in a limousine. C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer, C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. You see a signal with a yellow arrow. What does this mean? A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A. The protected turning time period is ending. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with 1 lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. Help prevent traffic congestion. B. Increase your chances of an accident. C. Get you to your destination faster. Correct answer, B. Increase your chances of an accident. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. Is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. C. Is required by law within city limits only. Correct answer, B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. Are following a small passenger vehicle. B. Are being tailgated by another driver. C. are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Correct answer, B, are being tailgated by another driver. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A, 20 miles per hour, B, 25 miles per hour, C, 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C, 15 miles per hour. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A, cannot see the vehicle directly to your right, B, see the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror, C, have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer, B, see the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A, maintain your speed and position, B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge, C, speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer, B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A, slow down and proceed with caution. B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C, proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A, motorcycles. B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C, vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection. You should slow down and A, move toward the left side of your lane. B, avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C, signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C, signal for 100 feet before turning. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A, fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B, slow down only if you think workers are present. C, you must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer, C, you must slow for the cone zone. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A, parking lights, B, headlights, C, emergency flashers. Correct answer, B, headlights. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A, 15 miles per hour, B, 20 miles per hour, C, 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A, 15 miles per hour. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A, your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B, your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C, one of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer, B, your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. If your cell phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A, answer the call because it may be an emergency. B, let the call go to voicemail. C, check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer, B, let the call go to voicemail. If you are driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A, closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B, further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle.